Ladies and gentlemen, this is Warrior Spirit Fitness, Drill 6A. First, let's take a look at the entire base layer of the drill done at a slow to moderate pace. Start by reaching over the top to grab the stick, then stepping back with your left foot and bringing the stick into a modified ready position with both hands over the top of the stick. Next, bring the stick into the up ready position. Notice how the right hand switches. Also notice how the left foot, now in the lead, makes a slight backward slide. Now drop the stick down at a 45-degree angle. You can allow your left hand to extend to the front. Bring the stick to the left side of your body as if you are preparing to draw a sword from its sheath. Notice that the left hand is angled downward as if trying to calm someone down. You are learning how to posture your body in a self-defense situation. We will discuss this in detail when we get onto the actual self-defense applications of the stick. Drop your body down with the stick ever so slightly. Swing the stick parallel to the ground as you turn 180 degrees into the up ready position. Now practice these motions together, going back and forth like this. Now when you have the stick in the up ready position, practice grabbing the stick in this manner and striking down from over the top at a 45-degree angle. Both hands are over the top of the stick. Notice how the hands slide along the stick to adjust themselves. Follow up with a low strike, step back and come under the arm, then turn 90 degrees to the left and strike. The more you practice, the more your speed and power develops. Now have a look at the whole drill at a slow speed. If you have already learned drills 1 through 5, you shouldn't require very much verbal instruction at this point. Just use your eyes and your brain to see the movements, then duplicate them with your own body. Monkey see, monkey do, as they say. We're not calling you monkeys though. Part of this training is developing the ability to quickly see what's happening and pick up details with your eyes. In a self-defense situation, you must be able to observe, orient, decide, and act very quickly on a threat or multiple threats to achieve the best possible outcome. As you train with us more, we will teach you how to develop all 5 of your senses, which add up to the very important 6th sense. And that's it for drill 6A. Practice it daily. It's a great workout, and it's another step on your path to mastering the stick. Remember that to perform any movement under stress, you will have to have done it thousands of times. These drills are a way to practice the key movements and strikes over and over again, but do it in the form of a fitness routine. I'll see you again when you're ready for the next drill. Sincerely, M.